प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, मेरी बात सुनो। अपने प्यारे देश फिजी को अब बचाओ। मिलकर लड़ेंगे, हर मुश्किल हटाएंगे। अपने बच्चों का कल संवारेंगे। हम सब साथ मिलकर We stand as one। नशा को हटाएंगे for our rising sun। एक ही जाना है under one sky। Fiji our home, together we'll rise। रखबाजी अपनी, keep our future bright। Drugs out of our land, wrong we will make right। Wrong we will make right। Drugs crept quite across our island shores, breaking families down, slamming open doors. Children losing their way, dreams fading out of sight. Mothers crying prayers through the lonely night. It knows no race, no faith, no rich or poor, only broken promises and wounds to cure. Some say it's not their fight, not trouble on the street, but this is our Fiji where all our lives meet. We walk the same roads, breathe the same warm air. When one neighbor falls, we all must stand and care. No us and them now, no lines drawn in the sand. We are guardians together of this precious land। हम सब साथ मिलकर we stand as one। नशा को हटाएंगे for our rising sun। एक ही जाना है under one sky। Fiji our home, together we'll rise। रखबाजी अपनी, keep our future bright। Drugs out of our land, wrong we will make right। Wrong we will make right। We shared meals and stories, sunset side by side। Our histories woven in one common tide। Our true strength lies in how we hold each other close, not turning away when hope looks lost। We lift each other up when courage starts to fade। Stand firm as a mountain, unshaken and unafraid। So reach out your hand to the neighbor next to you। This battle we win only if our bond stays true। Guide the young ones well, show them the right way। Guard our towns and villages every single day। United we stand strong, divided we fall short। Let our one loud voice ring out across the board। मिलकर रहेंगे हम हमेशा साथ में। फीजी अपना रहे हमेशा खुशहाल। नशा कभी नहीं यहाँ पे फिर आए। हम सब एक हैं, यही अपनी शान है।